today we will be doing a small topic called algebraic expressions. Now these algebraic expressions are a part of algebra which is very important from 8th standard onwards. So there are some identities which we should know because we can use them for solving polynomials, quadratic equations, and even for trigonometry, which is a little difficult topic for 10th standard students. So we start with something called as algebraic expressions. So before going into the calculations or the simplifications, we should know something what is called as algebraic identities. I will be writing down 10 algebraic identities. Kindly make it a point to memorize this not just by seeing the formulae or the expansions but by actually writing it down. When you keep on writing it again and again, we feel that it is memorized and it is into our heads. So these are called as algebraic identities. So you may have studied in 8th and 9th standard, but this is just a revision part of this. So the first one is a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. The second one is a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. The third identity can be taken as a minus b into a plus b. This is nothing but a square minus b square. Fourth is x plus a into x plus b. This is x square plus a plus b x plus ab. The fifth identity we can take as a plus b plus c the whole square. This is a square plus b square plus c square plus all the combinations 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Then we come to a plus b the whole cube. So this is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, or this can be even written as a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. The next one is the seventh one. Similarly, we will be having a minus b the whole cube. This is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. This can be written as a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. The eighth one is a cube plus b cube. This is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. The ninth one is a cube minus b cube. So this is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And the 10th one is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3bc is equal to, this is a plus b plus c into brackets, it will come a square plus b square plus c square plus minus ab minus bc minus ca. So friends, these are the 10 most important identities which will help you in the 9th and the 10th standard. Remember, it is also useful, I told you, for trigonometry. That is, when you learn trigonometry, you will have to prove some things, and when you are proving some things, you may find this, and 3-4 identities which are even important in trigonometry. So these are called the algebraic identities. Now we will do a few sums on this. So that we get to know what should be done. So we will do few sums on this. So first is expand 8n plus 7n the whole square. So the first and the most important thing for you to do is write in the correct format. So this becomes 8m the whole square plus 2 into 8m into 7n plus 7n the whole square. This is nothing but 64 m square plus 5612 mn plus 49 n square. Friends, kindly remember, you should know in 9th and 10th standard the squares up to at least 30 and cubes up to 15. It is very useful not only in say quadratic equations, it is also useful in a chapter called surface areas and volumes. If you know the cubes, the squares, the square roots very easily, then you can attempt these sums in a very short time. So this is your first expansion. Second, we can just expand as 15p minus 10q the whole square. If we see, this is nothing but a minus b the whole square. So this has to be written as 15p the whole square minus 2 into 15p into 10q plus 10q the whole square. This becomes 225p square 150. This is 300 pq plus 100q square. The third one is we can expand 5p plus 3q the whole cube. Now this is a plus b the whole cube, so this can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So this is 125p cube plus 27q cube. So 25 is a 75 2s are 225p square cube plus I is a 15 9s are 135p cube square. So this is the final expansion of this identity. We can have a same expansion in a minus b. So 6m minus 4n the whole cube means it is nothing but a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So this is 216 n cube minus 64 n cube. 6 square is 36. So 36 into 12, this is 72. 12 is a 36, 43. So this is minus 43, 432 m square n plus, that is, this is 4 square is 16, 16 6 96, 96 into 3, this is 18, 27, 288 plus 288 m n square. So this is how we expand the first 4 examples I have shown you. I will show you 2-3 more examples. This is how we have to do, but kindly remember that the most important thing for these expansions are, first thing, we should know the identities by heart. Second thing is we should be knowing the squares and cubes of numbers, squares up to 30, cubes up to at least 15, which will surely help you. Example number 5, we can say it is 343 x square minus 216 x cube minus 216 y cube. Now this is how we do this. This is a cube minus b cube, means we have to write a minus b. Now the cube of 343 x cube is 7x. So 7x minus 6y into, this is a square minus ab, a square plus ab plus b square. A square means it becomes 49x square plus ab, 7 6 of 42 xy plus 66 means 36 y square. Similarly, if we take one example of 1000 m cube plus 729 n cube, this we can write as, this is 10m plus 9n into 10 square is 100 m square plus 10 nines are 90 mn plus 81 n square. So these are the few ones. Then